Hey everyone, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs. I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to use two of our newest watercolor templates. One is a reindeer and the other one is the snowman. So you can use them as a watercolor or you can take the watercolor effect away very simply. I'm going to show you how. So when you open up the template, you'll see that there's a quick directions layer in yellow. You're going to shut that off. You have text layers that can be turned off and you can add your own text to it. You cannot edit the text, but because the text is not editable, but you can just remove it and change it very easily. You will have a layer. I'm going to go over the snowman layer. You will have a clipping mask layer, same thing as the reindeer, and you will have a watercolor effect that can be turned on or shut off. Very easy. So the same with the watercolor snowman. So let me show you how to add a photo image to this clipping mask. So you're going to click on clipping mask and you're going to go File, Place Embedded. And then you're going to find the image that you want to use. So I may want to use, let's see, I'm going to use, where's the image I want to use? Maybe I'll use this one. I'm going to clip it. Find it. I'm going to resize it possibly now, or I can always resize it later. I'm going to right click on it and create clipping mask. Now it's inside of the snowman. Press Command T. And I'm going to move him around, maybe resize him a little bit using the transformation tools until I get to the place that I like. And that's basically it. Remember, you always have to add your images above the clipping mask layer. So you want to always select your clipping mask layer and then do the File, Place Embedded piece. You can easily shut the watercolor off and just use it this way. Add your own text to the template, which is sized at a 5x7, which is perfect size to print for holiday cards. The other thing I want to show you, and this is both for this template and the reindeer template, is that the watercolor effect, the color can be changed extremely easily. I added a color effect to it. You're going to double click on the color effect. It will open up the dialog here. See how it says color effect and then the color is here. You're going to click on the color. It'll open up the color wheel and you can literally just change it to whatever color you want. Press OK, and now we have a nice lovely pink background. If you didn't like that, you can always go backwards or you could just add a color effect and change it again. So super simple. If you just want it to be a black and white effect, you just turn off the effects and you have a nice gray watercolor template background. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the template. You will find it at photoboxdesigns.com. Thanks for watching.